I want to talk your money. Look at that. We're going to open with a gain of about 100 points for the Dow Industrials. So let's bring in Courtney Dominguez. She's with Payne Capital, and she's been right on the market, haven't you? You've been on the show several times.
We've been bullish, and
you've been bullish,
right.
and you've been right. So tell me, when do we hit an all-time high for the Dow Industrials?
I think we're right around the corner. I think within the next couple of weeks, we're going to see us hitting all-time highs again.
Okay.
Because we have a couple of things coming up. Number one is earnings season. And I think that can really be the catalyst that we need to set the markets off even higher.
Now, that starts next week, doesn't it?
Correct.
The bank's next Friday, I think it is, and then they proceed from there. What's your expectation of earnings this particular time?
I really think that we're going to see earnings beating their expectations.
And what's the expectation? Do you know? I mean, I don't know. I don't follow expectations, to be honest with you. What are they expecting?
The bar has been set really low. So what we saw last year is the average earnings were beating their estimates by about 25%, but then they were lowered in the fourth quarter to about 13%. What happened is analysts got overly pessimistic, and now they have extremely lowered the bar, which means that there is a lot of room for companies to come out with positive results here and really bring that optimism back into the stock market.
So you expect to see the word beat. They beat this. And
correct.
That's a signal for the stock to go up.
Correct.
Last one. We're going to go up another 100 points today, at least at the opening bell.
Yeah.
The talk is that everything's positive about China trade. I take it that's factored into your assessment that we're going higher.
Very much so. And I think that's really the other catalyst that we're going to see that's able to take the stock markets where we want to see them. So we're starting to see that priced in. As we're getting good news, the markets are going higher. But until we actually have things signed on the dotted line and we know what the negotiations are going to look like, that's going to really bring the markets where we want to see them.
Okay. Well, we're going up from here. Nice stuff. Courtney Dominguez, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, now.